How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to demonstrate and show you how to turn off the profile picture zoom feature on Instagram. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up Instagram for that, and once we open it up we can go to our profile picture by tapping on our profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. And then after we have tapped on it, we can tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner, the three lines, and access our settings and privacy. Now from this section, we can scroll down to the section and find the option for who can see our content. Scroll down and find the option for how others can interact with us. And here we can select the option for post, or directly find this option called who can see your content here and tap on the option called account privacy. And find this option called allow profile picture expansion. So if you have this option, all we gotta do is basically turn on this option, turn it off, turn off the toggle switch to disable the zoom feature. If you cannot find this option, ensure that the Instagram application is updated to the latest versions. When disabled, other people won't be able to tap or zoom in order to expand your profile picture, and your profile picture will be still visible to everyone, but it won't be able to be expanded. So that's it everybody. For now you can head over and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.